What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is a big day. We're going to take the 2018 Destroyer Gray Hellcat and take it into the body shop. They're going to put the new fender panels here. They're going to put the new panels on the side right here, get all this done. They're going to cut the driver's side frame off back here and replace it. They're going to fix the passenger side frame, pull that back out, and then we have parts for days. Over here, the bumper's outside. We've got a rear diffuser over here. So hopefully in a week or two, hopefully less than 2 weeks, we'll have this thing pretty much back on the road. I gotta go pick up the hood today too. So let's do a cold start on the Hellcat. Inside?
Yeah. Heck yeah. So, before that comes down, remind me, I'll go grab the camera. Hey,
Duke's a hazard.
should get out and thumbnail it.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Well, I guess you could pull forward more so you can get out. All you need is like another inch.
Let's do it then.
You notice how old the gas is in it? There, right there. Oh.
It's a little chilly, not too bad. Jesse's getting the last strap on. This is gonna be nice. It'll be nice to finally get the white one out of the garage too.
Oh yeah.
But it's still gonna be a running and driving white Hellcat that is up for sale or going to auction depending on what happens. Now that the brake light doesn't stay on.
Right. Yeah, I knew that's what it was.
The brake light was always on. Okay, we have it on the trailer. Now we are going to take it to the body shop so that they can do their magic and hopefully finally get this out on the street. They tried to bring my title yesterday, but I wasn't home to pick it up, so I should get the title to it today, which will be really nice. Finally get it registered once it's rebuilt. But let's get it over to the body shop. On our way to the body shop, finally. I cannot wait. It's been 3-4 weeks. Been working on this car, getting it running, getting it kind of ready to drive, stripping everything off of it. I can't wait to drive this thing. Holy crap. It's actually going to be pretty cool. I could have went and just bought one. I don't know if I would have bought a used one or a new one, but this one, I blue booked it and I think it was like $58,000 for this year. Only 10,000 miles on it. Yeah, I could have already been driving one and doing some stuff, but it's pretty cool taking this totally, well, kind of crashed up one, fixing it all up, putting it back together, repaint it, fix the suspension parts, and get it back out on the road and have some fun with it. So I'm kind of excited to get out there and do some pulls with this thing. Definitely need to get used to that power, because I'm pretty good with that stuff, but this is a whole new beast. It's a lot of freaking horsepower, but I'm super excited. Here we go. So here we are. We're heading into the body shop right now. Turning. Okay guys, we got the car on the frame rack. Finally, it's frame rack day. Woo! Straighten out these front parts. Get this all cut out. Get that one pulled back out. Hopefully straighten the subframe up a little bit. Back together. I can't wait. This is going to be awesome. There's all the tools in the trade right there. Part of those to get this thing figured out. We had to weld right there. My buddy came over and welded that. So we'll get all this new suspension stuff put in, I just wanted to see if they could pull this down because this did get pushed up during the wreck. I didn't want to replace any of this if I had to replace the subframe. Okay, here's part of the new parts. This is the new driver's side frame. I think we're just going to section it out.
Yep.
Wherever it crinkled, which I think is like right here. We're just going to cut that out, weld it in. It's our new upper parts. This part, I think they're just going to cut all the spot welds. If we can, and then just put this part on. I don't think we'll use this part. There's our other reinforcement parts. Our upper radiator bracket, lower bracket, and then our front bar. Okay, I just came to check on the Hellcat today. They are starting to pull out the passenger side frame, which they already have, and it's actually looking really good. They're able to save it better than they thought they were, so we don't have to replace this one for sure. And they started pulling the driver's side already, which is coming out pretty good. We're still gonna cut it and weld in the new part. A little loud in here, but anyway, it's definitely positive. It's looking really good. And this thing is coming together. I'm super excited for this, so we'll see what happens next. I'll come back tomorrow and check on it. And I think they're gonna start cutting out the driver fenders and replacing that stuff. So we'll check tomorrow. Okay, let's take the AC compressor off. We got bent over from the wreck, so it didn't come off. I have to get a new stud. Okay. So just got the AC compressor disconnected here. I just gotta pull off a connector down here, and then we can pull this whole assembly out of the way. Let's get to it. Okay, AC compressor's out. Got a little bit of damage on the pulley. Maybe see right there. We are getting really close. Super excited about this. I can't wait to drive it. This is gonna be really cool. I've been jonesing to drive it since I got it, but stay tuned. We'll see you guys on the next one.